Welcome back to Automobiles, your trusted source for everything on wheels. Today we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, a modern twist on an all-time classic. This year's model brings fresh energy, refined styling, and upgraded features that aim to blend nostalgia with next-gen technology. Let's take a closer look at what the 2025 Beetle has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the new Beetle keeps its iconic rounded shape, but with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. Volkswagen has managed to maintain the car's retro charm while giving it a contemporary touch. The front fascia is cleaner, featuring slimmer LED headlights that integrate seamlessly with the body lines. The grille has been minimized for a sleeker look, and the bumper has been redesigned to enhance aerodynamics. On the sides, bold wheel arches and new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, give the car a sportier appearance. The rear stays loyal to the Beetle's roots, with a slightly sloped roof and a compact tail section, now featuring dynamic LED taillights and a revised spoiler. The color options for 2025 include some vibrant retro shades like sunburst yellow and ocean blue, adding to the Beetle's lively personality. Now a quick glance at the interior. The 2025 Beetle may be compact, but it doesn't compromise on comfort or tech. Inside, you'll find a driver-focused cabin with a minimalist layout. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, while the central infotainment system features a 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard has retro-styled accents, paying tribute to earlier models, but it's all wrapped in modern materials like soft touch surfaces and optional leather trims. Seating is cozy, with plenty of legroom for front passengers, though the rear seats remain tight, as expected in a car of this size. There are some thoughtful additions like ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and a decent-sized cargo area considering the hatchback design. Let's talk price. Volkswagen has positioned the 2025 Beetle to remain competitive in the compact car market. The base model starts around $25,000, while the fully loaded premium variant can go up to $33,000. This pricing puts it right in line with other stylish compacts, offering a blend of heritage, personality, and tech for the cost. Considering the features included, especially in the mid and high trims, the Beetle offers solid value for those looking for something unique yet practical. Performance-wise, the 2025 Beetle brings in a more efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing about 180 horsepower and 210 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration feels smooth, and while it's not built for racing, it delivers a lively driving experience, especially in urban environments. The ride quality is balanced, steering is responsive, and fuel efficiency is impressive, averaging around 32 mph combined. Volkswagen has also added several safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking, making it a well-rounded option for both new and experienced drivers. So that's your in-depth look at the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, a perfect blend of retro spirit and modern functionality. This is Automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with the bell on, and we'll see you next time with another exciting ride.